When you're comparing yachts, one of the biggest upgrades you can make isn't actually the size or the year of the yacht, it's the crew count. A yacht with 3 crew instead of 2 feels completely different on board, and here's why. You're gonna get better service all day long. With only 2 crew, the captain and chef are doing everything. Sailing, cooking, cleaning, serving, setting up toys, anchoring, laundry, the list goes on. Add a 3rd crew member and suddenly, the captain focuses fully on navigation and the perfect itinerary. The chef actually gets to cook at their highest level, and the steward deckhand are going to handle service, drinks, cleaning, toys, guest requests. Everything becomes smoother and more luxurious. You also get a higher level of dining. So when the chef isn't serving plates and doing dishes, the food just gets better, a lot better. You get more creativity, you get better timing between courses and plating that feels restaurant quality. The 5-star hospitality, that 3rd crew member is your bartender, your server, your housekeeper, your photographer, your table stylist, your toy wrangler. Drinks stay topped, snacks appear without asking, and every meal is an experience. You also have more fun and more toys. So with paddle boards, towables, snorkeling gear, e-foils, they all take time and supervision. And with 3 crew, those toys get set up faster and more often because the crew have staffing to supervise safety. You also have cleaner cabins, faster turnover. The stew is going to handle linens, daily cleaning, refreshing towels. Your space is always going to be spotless without you ever seeing the work. And you're just going to get a better overall experience. So 3 crew means faster service, more attention, more flexibility, less waiting, better timing, more personal touches. It's why the guests say the boat was amazing, but the crew made the trip. Bottom line, upgrading from 2 crew to 3 isn't just one extra person. It's a complete upgrade to the entire experience. Service, dining, toys, cleanliness, and the overall luxury feel of your week. If you want a charter that feels effortless and elevated, choose the yacht with 3 crew or more, and you'll feel the difference immediately. If you're ready to start planning your charter, reach out, and we'll see you on the water.